Kanai.
Red car. I'm so ready to open it.
That's cool.
I'm going this way. My handle's not there.
Okay.
I should go straight off.
Cut everything.
This is hard.
Is it?
Yeah. But kids can do this too. But you have to be so careful.
Now get rid of the plastic. What? Did this end up the new one?
Oh my gosh!
Alright, that's it.
So, I almost hit my heart my hit.
Okay.
I opened it. Yes. Wait, which color did I get? I'm going to tell you, we got the red.
Yeah?
Yeah. Bunch of papers and things.